In which one of the following numbers does the digit 9 stands for 9,000? 98760. I bring down my 9. 0000. That's 90,000, so we cancel. 85954. Bring down my 9. 0. That's 900. 74396. I bring down my 9. That's 90. 59,461. I bring down my 9. 9,000. So 4 is my answer. Question 1 answer is 4. Which of the following fraction is the smallest? Alright, so we find a common denominator for all of them. So if this is 12, we times 2 times 2, 2 over 12. 12, half will be 6, times 4 times 4, 4 over 12, times 3 times 3, 3 over 12. This will be the smallest. Answer is 1. Arrange the following decimals from the greatest to the smallest. So this is from the big to small. Okay, among here you notice that 8.40, this is the greatest. So you cancel the first option, you cancel the second option. You look at the next bigger number will be 8.04. This is wrong already. Cancel out. So your final answer is 3. Option 3. The figures below are made of unit square. Which of the following have the same area and perimeter? Okay, so perimeter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Area 1, 2, 3, 4. This is area 4. Okay, for B, perimeter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Area 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. For C, perimeter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Area 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, so we see that A and C has the same perimeter and area. So our option is 2. Question 4, answer is 2. Which of the following are common factors of 12 and 21? When you see the word factor start with F, it means few. So for 12, 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, 4 times 3, we can stop here. Alright, let's look at 21 now. 1 times 21, 2 cannot, 3 times 7 give you 21, and 4, 5, 6, 7 times 3, so we stop here. The common factors of 12 and 21 will be 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. Answer for question 5 is 2. What is the number when 12.285 is rounded off to 2 decimal places? 12.285, 1, 2. This is the decimal place we're looking at. Look at the next door neighbor, it is more than 5. So we plus 1, so it's 12.29. So your answer, 12.29. Answer for this question is 3. The missing numerator in the fraction below is, okay, so we have 6, 2 over 7 equals to how many? 7. 6 times 7 will be 42. 42 plus 2 will be 44. 44, that's your answer. Answer is 1. Okay, so we have 6 times 7 equals to 42. 40 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 44. Okay, that's how we solve for question 7. In the figure below, how many of the marked angles are greater than a right angle? Okay, first of all, right angle is equals to 90 degrees. So this angle is greater than 90. This is definitely greater than 90. This is also greater than 90. This is also greater than 90. These two angles here, at these 2 points, they are exactly 90 degrees. So they are not greater than 90. So looking at our options, with 4 angles that is greater than 90, 4 ticks. So our answer for question 8 is 4. The second hand of a clock moved from 11 to 10. How many seconds had it moved? Okay, this is talking about the clock here. Okay, we all know this is 12, this is 3, this is 6, this is 9. They're asking that the second hand of the clock move from 11. Okay, you'll go all the way to 10. Alright, leaving a gap here of a spacing. Each gap is actually 5 seconds. So we have 60 seconds in a minute minus 5 seconds. That will be 55 seconds. This means that the answer for question 9 is 4. Which of the following decimal is greater than 4 but smaller than 4.01? Okay, so it's actually 4.0100. Okay, the first one, 4.009 is greater than 4 and smaller than 4.010 as well. Alright, so this is actually the answer. We take a look at the other options. Okay, this is 4.011, is already bigger, so this cannot be the answer. We look at 4.09, we put a 0, it's definitely bigger also. And this one, 4.1, is definitely bigger as well. So your answer for question 10 is 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct number in the number button below. Okay, so if you take a look at that, you notice that they plus 10, alright, 60 to 70 is the main difference, plus 10, plus 10, so here is also plus another 10, so plus 10, this is 0, 0, 1, 6, 2, 2, 2, 2, 6, 0, 0. Okay, that's your answer for question 11. Find the value of 11 over 12 plus 5 over 6. Alright, express your answer as a mixed number in the simplest form. Okay, mixed number meaning there must be a whole number and a fraction. Simplest form means the lowest form. Please do not forget about this thing. 11 over 12 plus, okay, you must find the same denominator, so it's times 2 times 2. That will give you 10 over 12. You should get 21 over 12. Whenever you see the word mixed number, you must do the long division method. So 21 over 12, okay, 1 minus 12, that's 9. So our answer is 1, remainder 9. So we have 1, 9 over 12. Okay, that's not the simplest form. We can divide it by 3 on top. So you have 1, 3 over 4. So your final answer should be 1, 3 over 4. Okay, use a protractor to measure angle A. Please make sure that this point here, you put against your protractor, and then you're going to measure it, so your line will look something like that. Alright, okay, this is your 90 degrees here. So your final answer should be 130 degrees. I can accept 129 degrees, 130 degrees, or 131 degrees. Okay, so an area of +1 or -1 degrees only for this question. Write down the time 8:49 p.m. using the 24-hour clock. Okay, when you see the word PM, it means that it's at night, so we have to plus 12. So we have 849, okay, plus 12. So we should get 49, 0, 1, 2049. Okay, so your final answer should be 2049. Remember, for the 24-hour clock format, there should be no dots in between there. There's no such thing as 20.49. Alright, so it's 2049. Question 15. What is the remainder when 6514 is divided by 4? So we do 6514, we divide by 4. Alright, so 1 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. We bring down our 5 here. 4 times 6. Alright, that will be 24. Okay, 5 minus 4 is 1. We bring down the 1 here. This will be 2. 4 times 2 is 8. That will be 3. We bring down a 4. Alright, 8, 16, 24, 32. So we have 8 Okay, 8 times 4 will give you 32, minus 32. We have a remainder of 2. So my answer for this would be 2. What is the answer when 0.96 is subtracted from 6.3? Okay, so we take 6.3, 0, we put a 0 behind, minus 0.96. You borrow a 3, 10 minus 6 is 4. I borrow 5, 12, 12 minus 9 is 3. Please always remember our decimal point, 5. So my final answer is 5.34. Peter spent 7/8 of his money on books. If he had $48 at first, how much money had he left? Okay, let's look at our denominator is 8. It means that Peter has 8 units of money at first, and we know that this is equals to $48. Okay, so every time using the units method, we have to find out what's 1 unit. 48 divided by 8 is actually 6. So 1 unit is $6. How much money had he left? So he used 1 whole, he minus 7/8, he left 1/8, which is only 1 unit, which means my answer is $6. Okay, so this is question 17, answer is $6. Okay, the table below shows the type of housing pupils in a class live in. Okay, so there's a table here. What fraction live in private houses? In simplest form. Okay, they want your answer in simplest form. Okay, so we look at private houses. That will be 4 and 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 over the total number of pupils we have. Okay, so we will count. 6 plus 12 is 18. Alright, 18 plus 13. 18 plus 13, that's 31. 31 plus 4 is 35. 35 plus 4 is 39. 39 plus 1 is 40. Okay, they want your simplest form. You cannot give 5/40 divided by 5 divided by 5, 1/8. So 1/8 of the students actually live in private houses. Okay, question 19. Madam Hanian and Madam Sabaria bought some tokens for Children's Day. Madam Hania gave 50 tokens to Madam Sabaria. As a result, both of them has an equal. Okay, so we have H, we have S, alright? At the end of the day, they both have equal. Okay, but not forgetting that, alright, not forgetting that Madam Hania, alright, okay, Madam Hania, she gave 50 tokens to Madam Sabira. Okay, so at first, remember, life must be fair. On top must also have the 50, which means that initially, okay, at first, Madam H actually has like this, 100 more than Madam Sabah. Alright, so she gave 50, that's why they had fair. If Madam Sabah had 24 at first, so at first, okay, if Madam Sabah only had 24, here must also be 24 because they are equal. How many tokens did Madam Hania had at first? So we need to find out how much is here. Alright, so we have 24 plus 50 plus 50, that's 124. So your answer for question 19 is 124. Okay, when it is 12 o'clock in Paris, this is 1800s in Singapore. It means that Paris is 6 hours earlier because we have this minus with this. Okay, that will give us 6 hours. Okay, so Paris is 6 hours earlier than Singapore. So if the Singapore time now is 11:45 p.m., okay, you minus away 6 hours earlier. Okay, that will be 5:45 p.m. So Singapore timing, Paris timing will be 5:54 p.m. But they want the answer to be using the 24-hour format. So if we put as 5:45 p.m., that's wrong. So 5:45, we have to plus 12. Alright, and we have 1745. So the correct answer for this should be 1745. Okay, 1745 is the 24-hour clock for Paris. Okay, now we are going to our problem sum. The line graph below shows the number of houses sold monthly from January to June by ABC property agent. Okay, it's okay if you cannot see all the numbers clearly. You have the paper in front of you. Just make sure you know the working part. Alright, so let's look at the first question. What is the difference between the greatest and the least number of houses sold between January to June? Okay, so as we can see from the graph, the highest point is here in April, and that must be the greatest, and the number here reads 45. Alright, the lowest point is actually in March, okay, and the number here reads as 15. So they say, what is the difference between the greatest and the least number sold? Okay, so for A, greatest is 45, minus away 15, the difference would be 30. Alright, so for your question 1 here, the first answer is 30. Now, they mentioned question B now. If the agency earned 1850 for every house sold, how much did it earn in the month of May and June? Now let's go back to the graph here. So we are looking at May and June. May is at 30 houses, June is at 40 houses. So for question B, well, in these 2 months, altogether they sold 30 plus 40 equals to 70 houses. Each house they earn 1,850. So for 70 houses, it will be this times 1850. Okay, okay. We have to do a quick shortcut here. There's 2 zeros, okay, behind. So our final answer will be 0, 0. You just take 185 times 7. All right, 7 times 5, 35. 8 times 7, 40, 56. 56 plus 3 will be 59. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 will be 12. Alright, so you put 1295 in front. So your final answer for B would be that they earn $129,500. That's your answer for B. Okay, question 22. Draw a line perpendicular to AB through the point C. Okay, perpendicular means there must be a 90 degrees. Alright, using a ruler, alright, you got to draw a straight line down, and this is how it looks like. Okay, please do not use freehand. Alright, please use a ruler. Okay, we move on to the next part here. Alright, 3 identical rectangles form a bigger rectangle STUV as shown below. Alright, okay, find the length of VZ. Okay, if you see very carefully here, alright, at the diagram, this is 14 cm, which means here to here is also 14 cm. Alright, so here and here it must be 7, 7. Okay, 7 plus 7 give you 14. So your question B, find the length of VZ from here to here would be, okay, question B, 14 divided by 2 equals to 7. So your answer for here would be 7 centimeter. Now find the length of TU. That's what they want to find. We have already know that the breadth is 7, which means from here to here is 7. That means here to here is 7. The length is 14. Here to here is 14. Alright, so all together here will be 14 plus 7. Answer will be 21. So find the length of TU. Answer is 21 centimeter. Mrs. Lim bought 3 times as many cups as plates from a shop. Each cup costs $2 and each plate costs $4. Okay, so for 1 cup, it will cost me $2. 1 plate cost me $4. Alright. Mrs. Lim bought 3 times as many cups as plates, which means in a group, alright, I have 3 cups, 1 plate, because 3 times as many cups as plates. Each cup is $2, so that's $6. A plate is $4. Alright, so altogether this is $10. So $10 per set. Each set costs $10 per set. If she spent a total of $80, right? So we take $80 divided by $10, which means there's 8 sets. Okay, altogether there are 8 sets in the question. How many cups did she buy? They are looking at cups, huh? So for each set, you know that there's 3 cups in one set. Altogether I have 8 sets, so 8 times 3 equals to 8, 16, 24 cups. So how many cups did she buy altogether? 24 cups. Please remember to check your work. Thank you.